133 Lincoln. I think I have a vehicle. It's a white sedan. It's going to be Ry'Heam Brown. It's going to be on 13th and Kemper, and the vehicle does appear to be eluding.
Tower. 130 copy.
13th and Buchanan. Continuing through Buchanan, heading back down towards Pierce. Turning right onto Pierce and 13th. It's going to be North Carolina, temp tag 289. I can't see it, but it's the same vehicle Ry'Heam Brown drives. Traffic's 30 miles an hour, traffic's light.
No copy.
He just stopped. Might have thrown something out the passenger window, not sure. Continuing down Pierce Street. Pierce and 16th. He's running. Ry'Heam, stop! 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 Ry'Heam's running up 14th. Ry'Heam, stop! Stop! Go Fillmore, Fillmore. Going up Fillmore. Lost him back here at Fillmore. We need a perimeter set. He's running up towards 17th. Fillmore and it'd be Pierce. We need to get a perimeter set. Here, stop! Stop! All right, I got him again. He's running 17th. 17th and Fillmore. Running up 17th. Ry'Heam, stop! Stop right now! Stop right now! Stop! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! You're gonna get tased! Stay on the... Stop! Drop the gun! Shots fired, Lincoln! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! Ry'Heam, do not move! Do not move! 17th and Fillmore. Shots fired. Medics code 3. He's got a gun! Watch the gun! 17th. Fillmore. I got it right here.
Roll him over! Put him in handcuffs! Put him in handcuffs!
17th Fillmore. We need medics code 3. One male hit multiple times. No. No.
They said a man in a brown sweater. Are you sure?
If there was someone ducked in the car, I wouldn't have known. Because someone ducked in the car.
I'll start
Ow! Stop! Get on the ground!